Oh, put your dick away. It's smaller than a motherfucker. Oh, it's time for bed. Come on, I think it's right over here. I'm not sure. I don't know what's... Oh shit, you found me. Oh, go suck a dick. Oh, where'd you get that foot? I just loaded my pants. I will stop.